So we figured out the landscaping which we feel we have. We have this couple criteria. First of all, we need a pad right here. So we're going to do like the oval stone patio there. And the reason we need it there is because when we bring the lift in, the man lift, the leg needs to sit right about right there with the other leg over there so we can reach all the way up into there for painting, repair, and everything else. We're going to even go way over there. So we need a very good platform right there because we don't want we need to support it very well. So because of that, we're also trying to do a walkway through here. So we're going to dig in deep into the bank over here. And then that'll give us more flat area here with the stone wall. We've already started the stone wall there. We'll bring it through. But then at this point, we're going to curve down because we don't want to take away the support of that. So it's going to be like right in here, just a little bitty stone wall. We're going to bring some of the dirt over here so we have a flatter area here. It's going to be a little tough right here, but we need to leave this open because eventually we need to dig a trench down through here to finish our 2 conduit lines to the carriage house. We're also going to, we have this stone up here that someone did a really nice job rounding off. It was as part of the walkway, but since it's so beautiful, we're going to use that as a seat. So we're going to put a seat right here. We're going to pile up some stone right here, have the seat right there. That will point to the spot where we need to start digging when we complete the trench. So that'll leave this all open. But it'll be a nice seat and it'll also show off that stone. And then this right here, we'll plant flowers in. So anything above the stones will just be flowers. We also extended this right here, put a few stones in there, so we're going to fill this in with some of our dirt. And that'll be more space for flowers, wildflowers, perennials. And anything above the stone wall will also be perennials, wildflowers. We're going to keep the trench up on the upper side. I think we're going to keep it all stone. We don't get a lot of water in this part, but anything we do get will definitely come down that trench. Hopefully not too fast. I don't want any washouts here. Hopefully it can get settled in before it rains hard. And that'll keep the water away from the house too. The only thing is I don't want too much water going directly to the carriage house either. So that'll be another thing we'll have to watch for. But there's not that much water coming down there. Most of it's coming over there next to the big tree. And I think the tree pretty much sucks it up there. So that's our plan. And maybe by the end of fall we'll have it completed. And then next spring it'll start looking good. Real good.